Hi everyone, my name is Ronald Aretegui, student of the UTPL University. And today I'm going to talk about two approaches we can use to teach grammar in a more productive way. The first one is the inductive approach, which starts with examples and then we ask learners to find rules. As teachers, we don't explicitly state any rules, but rather our job is to guide the students towards the rules, getting them to become aware of it. We have to create a series of clear examples that demonstrates the use of the rule. Take for instance, using the grammar situation, I would present students a variety of examples for a concept given without giving any instruction about how this concept is used, in this case the plural of nouns. As students see how the concept is used, it is hoped that they will notice how the concept is to be used and determine the grammar rule. For example, to make regular nouns plural, we have to add s to the end. Or if the singular noun, for example, ends in ch or x or sh, we have to add es to the end of the verb to make it plural. As a conclusion, the activity, the teacher can ask students to explain the grammar rule as a final check that they have understood the concept. Okay? The second one is the deductive approach, where the teacher tells or shows directly what he or she wants to teach by first defining it and then providing examples or illustrations that demonstrate the idea. I'm going to use the same grammar situation. In this class, I give a new concept, singular and plural. I explain the grammatical rule, in each case. For example, here we have to add s to make plurals. In this case, when nouns end with s, h, ch, s, or x, we add es to make plurals. This one, and some nouns that have different plurals, like child and children. And then students practice using the concepts and it used in different ways. For example, here they have to match singulars and plural. And in this exercise, they have to write in the filling blanks what is the singular in this case, for example, and what is the plural noun in this case. So, as a conclusion, I can say that the inductive approach is an excellent way to teach concepts and generalizations. It is also effective. It is also an effective way to motivate students through their achievement and because it promotes participation. One disadvantage could be that learners may drop other meaning from the example, but as I told you before, that that is our duty as teachers to be a guide for our students. Talking about the deductive approach, I can say that it is important to structure the learning experience in order to draw on students' prior experience and learning, and to provide for their active involvement. As you know, students like to have the general principles identified. As a drawback, deductive approach can't increase creative, but both deductive and inductive approaches offer advantages with different learning strengths and motivations. Well, that was it. I hope you like it. Have a nice day.